Welcome to this presentation on how to write operations data analysis. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on. Data analysis plays a critical role in understanding and improving operational performance. It allows managers to make informed, evidence-based decisions rather than relying on intuition. By examining historical data, organizations can identify inefficiencies, waste, or recurring issues that hinder productivity. For example, analyzing time-to-delivery data may reveal delays linked to specific suppliers or bottlenecks in logistics. In addition, data analysis supports strategic planning by identifying trends and forecasting future needs. This is vital for resource allocation, budgeting, and long-term success. Another benefit is enhanced accountability. Teams and departments can be held responsible for results based on clear metrics. By tracking KPIs and operational indicators, managers gain a real-time picture of performance. Overall, incorporating regular data analysis into operations allows businesses to stay agile, improve service delivery, and meet their goals efficiently. This slide sets the foundation for understanding why data analysis is essential to operational success. A well-rounded operations analysis involves both quantitative and qualitative data. Quantitative data includes measurable items like sales figures, efficiency metrics, and cost ratios, ideal for trend analysis and regression models. Regression analysis helps reveal correlations, such as between employee training hours and error rates. Qualitative data, on the other hand, includes interviews, surveys, and observations that uncover attitudes, opinions, and reasons behind outcomes. Thematic analysis is a common method for coding and interpreting these types of insights. For example, open-ended survey responses from employees may highlight recurring themes such as communication breakdowns or inadequate support. Combining both data types leads to a more comprehensive understanding of operations. This mixed methods approach ensures that recommendations are both statistically sound and grounded in real-world experience. By using both numbers and narratives, businesses can create a clearer picture of current performance and areas needing improvement. Presenting findings clearly is essential to ensure stakeholders understand and trust the analysis. Visual aids like bar charts, pie graphs, and line graphs can make patterns and trends more digestible. Tables are useful for showing side-by-side comparisons, especially for performance across departments or time periods. However, visuals must be supported by narrative explanations that interpret the data. Don't just show a rising trend. Explain what's driving it. Also, highlight outliers or surprising results, which may signal emerging risks or opportunities. For example, a sudden dip in productivity might correlate with a policy change or staffing issue. Use captions and callouts to draw attention to key metrics. By combining visuals with clear explanations, you create a compelling story that helps decision-makers act with confidence. The goal is to ensure the data is not just seen, but understood, remembered, and used in strategy formulation. Drawing conclusions involves summarizing what the data tells us in relation to the research or operational goals. This means interpreting the data beyond surface-level trends and connecting findings directly to strategic objectives. For example, if customer satisfaction scores correlate with faster response times, the conclusion may be to invest in training or automation. It's important to analyze the why, not just what is happening, but why it's happening. This insight helps ensure recommendations are relevant and impactful. Data-backed conclusions lend credibility to your proposals and make it easier to gain stakeholder support. When drafting your conclusions, be concise but specific. Link outcomes to causes and suggest what actions the organization should take next. Avoid vague or general statements. Use concrete evidence. This ensures that your conclusions are actionable and grounded in the actual performance of the business. Every data analysis has limitations. These could include incomplete data sets, biases in survey responses, or external factors not captured by the data. Acknowledging these shows credibility and balance. Despite limitations, it's crucial to provide realistic, evidence-based recommendations. For example, if data shows high employee turnover, the recommendation may be to improve onboarding or mentorship programs. Recommendations should be actionable and aligned with the organization's strategic priorities. Also, suggest areas for future analysis. For instance, if customer feedback indicates service delays, further investigation into supply chain performance might be needed. End with a reminder of how the recommendations support broader business goals, such as customer satisfaction, efficiency, or growth. This final slide wraps up your analysis by demonstrating both practical value and strategic thinking. Clear, well-justified suggestions ensure your analysis leads to meaningful outcomes for the business.